Hey guys, Jamie here from Chili Bin Adventures. Today I'm going to be showing you how to foam clean your four-wheel drive. So there are three things you're going to need. You're going to need a water blaster, you're going to need a foam gun attachment, and you're going to need a foaming product. So the foaming product I'm going to use is this stuff called Mega Pre-Wash Mud Foamer from Motomuck. So Motomuck also do their own snow gun attachment too, and they've also got a couple of adjustments here depending on how thick you want the foam. So when you buy the product, there's a little attachment here. There's about 8 different options to suit what water blaster you have. So whether you've got an electric one or a petrol one, there's one of these attachments to suit anything. So basically you've just got to dilute this 20% and the rest water. What's cool about the bottle is it actually has the little lines on there, so you just fill it up to the 200ml mark and then fill the rest up to the 1 litre, and then you've got the mixture perfect.